The Menstrual Wellness Practitioner course is a Gateway Workshops online course. It's a must for therapists looking to add to their knowledge, but also for complete beginners looking to start their career in this field. In this course, you will unlock the mysteries of the menstrual cycle. From puberty to perimenopause, this course delves into the many, often unspoken symptoms that females experience throughout their reproductive years. You will gain a deeper understanding of hormone science, including estrogen, progesterone, FSH, and LH. You'll discover a wealth of information on treatments, alternative approaches, and scientifically backed evidence. This course is designed to empower you with knowledge and enable you to become a practitioner in female menstrual health, or alternatively, it can be used for personal use. You'll learn the comprehensive science behind menstruation, exploring everything from PMS symptoms like flu and nausea to more serious conditions like dysmenorrhea and heavy bleeding. Together, we investigate the role of prostaglandin and its impacts on the female body. We provide insight into amenorrhea, premenstrual dysphoric disorder, polycystic ovary syndrome, endometriosis, and perimenopause. This course sets out to equip you with the knowledge to understand and address these issues, enabling you to advise on effective treatments and support for menstrual health. In the course, you can examine the intricate workings of the menstrual cycle, so you and fellow females can live life to the fullest, free from the restrictive symptoms. You will also develop a greater understanding of the scientific evidence supporting alternative treatment approaches like acupuncture, mindfulness, EFT, and breathing techniques, and also looking at diet and exercise. This course also takes you beyond the menstrual journey. It provides a menstruation wellness pack along with other resources to help wellness practitioners integrate this knowledge into their wellness practices. Once you have completed the course, you will receive a professionally accredited and approved certificate, allowing you to use your newfound knowledge, with the general public and charge. Join the thousands of students who are trained with our award-winning school, boasting a proven track record, extremely high standards, and expert tutors. We offer massage, beauty, and spiritual courses at our venues across London and the rest of the UK, including Scotland and Ireland. And we also offer many online courses too. Gateway Workshops, the gateway to your potential.